Hello, my name is Camilo and I'm going to briefly present LiFUSO, our tool that allows feature exploration in libraries from software ecosystem based on their usages on a Stack Overflow post. First, you should clone our GitHub repository and access the UI folder of our tool, and in this folder you open a terminal and execute the following commands: yarn install to install all the dependencies, in my case they are already installed, and npm run deb to execute the application. Now you should visit this link, localhost 3000, and you should wait a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds before the application starts. Now, in this case, the application is already displayed and two main functionalities appear here: the search functionality and the compare functionality. In the case of the search functionality, you could search features by their names. So after introducing some natural language terms, you should see a filter list of the features that have that name. So for example, each feature is mainly composed by the following information. First, you have the name of the library from where the feature belongs, then a group of natural language terms that mainly compose the name of the features, and then you see a group of API references with the percentages of their frequency that is basically showing the most frequent API references in a cluster from where the feature was extracted. So let's try and search particular features. So for example, collection, you see that all features are related to this name, and you see that collection appears in all of the features. Let's see and try and find some features about filter, and you see that there are some features that related to this. And let's try another one. Create a chart, and you see that there are many features about creating charts, mostly in the J-free chart library. You can iterate on that feature using the pagination buttons at the bottom of the page. Now let's try and compare two libraries by the features they share, and let's try to compare two libraries that target the same domain, in this case PDF files. So currently we have processed two libraries doing this: PDF box and iText PDF. So let's select iText PDF and then PDF box. First you see that they share many features, and after clicking in one of these checkboxes you see more into details what are the features are about. And even though you see that the API references are quite different, they share the same natural language terms. So this is quite useful if you want to compare two libraries that are completely different regarding their API references. So let's try another one, extract text, and you see that this is implemented in a very particular way for the iText PDF library. But in the case of the PDF box, you see that many features have this name on it, and for example this seems quite relevant, and you see again that the APIs references are quite different. There are also some unique features for the libraries. So for example, iText PDF, you see that for example this seems to be a very unique feature about creating cells, and also it's the same for the other library for PDF box, that you have supposedly many unique features, like for example image treating, like in this case, or converting images. And so you can explore these unique features in your tool. You can see many shared features and many unique features per library, and finally you can search any feature by their name. So in summary, this is our tool. I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching the video.